When it comes to finding reliable and experienced surveyors in Noida Sector 76, SCON Design is the name that stands out. As one of the leading surveying companies in the area, SCON Design has a proven track record of delivering accurate and efficient surveying services to clients in various sectors. With their team of highly skilled and qualified surveyors, they are well equipped to handle any surveying project, no matter how complex or challenging it may be. SCON Design understands the importance of precision and attention to detail in surveying. Their surveyors are trained to use state-of-the-art equipment and advanced techniques to ensure accurate measurements and data collection. Whether it's land surveying, topographic surveying, or construction layout, SCON Design has the expertise and resources to handle it all. They are committed to providing their clients with reliable and comprehensive surveying solutions that meet their specific needs and requirements. One of the key reasons why SCON Design is the preferred choice for surveyors in Noida Sector 76 is their commitment to delivering high-quality results within the agreed timelines. They understand that time is of the essence in any project, and strive to complete their surveys efficiently and promptly. Their team of surveyors works diligently to ensure that all measurements are taken accurately and all data is collected in a timely manner. This allows their clients to make informed decisions based on reliable survey data, without any delays or setbacks. SCON Design prides itself on its professionalism and customer-centric approach. They understand that every project is unique and requires a customized approach. Their surveyors work closely with clients to understand their specific requirements and objectives, and tailor their services accordingly. There are numerous qualified surveyors in Noida Sector 76 that can offer precise and trustworthy data when doing surveys. Delhi-based SCON Design is one such business. SCON Design has made a name for itself as a reputable name in the surveying industry by providing clients in Noida Sector 76 and beyond with top-notch services. They are able to produce precise survey results that satisfy the highest industry requirements, because to their knowledge and cutting-edge technologies. The surveyors in Noida Sector 76 are essential to many development and construction projects. They are in charge of compiling crucial information about the property, such as its limits, contours, and existing buildings. For architects, engineers, and developers to efficiently design and plan their projects, this information is essential. Clients in Noida Sector 76 may make confident that the projects they commission expert surveyors, like those from SCON Design, are founded on precise and trustworthy data. SCON Design is renowned for its dedication to excellence and meticulousness. Their team of skilled surveyors is well-versed in the neighborhood and aware of the particular difficulties that come with doing surveys in Noida Sector 76. They carry out surveys precisely and effectively by utilizing cutting-edge hardware and software. SCON Design has the skills to undertake any kind of survey in Noida Sector 76, whether it's for a residential